All right, if you're a DIYer like me and you're trying to do the tension on the pulley, perhaps you just replace the alternator like I did. The easy thing to do is obviously have the tensioner loose, put on the alternator, bolt it in. You can kind of leave it slightly loose for a little wiggle just to get it on there, but you should be able to just bolt it up. And then what I'm doing is using one of these kind of like C-clamps. I don't know what they're called. You know, use them for like wood and stuff when you're cutting them or whatever. What I found is if you can sneak it under there, you can see I'm using some gloves just to give it, because this is plastic, so you don't want to just put crazy tension with a metal piece on it and crack it. Obviously you can replace it, but you don't want to do that. So I just put the little glove on there so there's a little bit of give. And same thing up here. This is metal, but I did the glove just because it's a straight, if you can see it, it's just a thin little piece of metal, so I wanted more grip. And if you can see, it's making the tension. And I went from a very loose belt to one like this. Now I did kind of measure the play in it before, just so I know, but I also knew that back here, I counted the teeth. So I had 7 teeth total. And it was like in this 7th one, and there was 7 open. So that's where I'm getting back to. It's working. And then what I did is just made sure this is on, so as soon as I'm at the spot, I can just start hand cranking it. Don't use a power tool. It'll start to torque it too much and this will wiggle. Trust me, a hand wrench is a lot better, more accurate. You can tighten it with precision and not get it to rattle and loosen up. So hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is SK Lifestyle, if you didn't know. I appreciate all the comments and stuff down below. Keep watching, and happy boating, guys. There you go. Before, there was barely enough gap to get my finger in there. I tried using a mallet, wedging it in there just to kind of give me some space, and that kind of worked, but it was still wiggling back. So I'm all set. I'm at the right tension. Oh, there we go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Look at that. Yeah, SK Lifestyle. Again, hit that subscribe button down below.